What's up, Old Souls fam? Super exciting day. My buddy Kent is coming in from Colorado. We're going to work on Del Sol stuff. I got mine right here. I've got some things to button up. We've got a ton to do on his. We got to put a new window in. We got to fix a door handle. We are going to put in a JDM steering wheel. We're going to put in his bezel overlay. People get nervous about doing those, but I'm going to help him out with his. We've got so much stuff to do. Norman's out here. I don't know if you guys have met Norman yet. This is Norman. Say hi, Norman. Norman's not too bright, but that's okay. Yeah. So I worked all weekend to have today off to hang out with him. Gonna be some drunken shenanigans. I don't know what is gonna get done today. I don't know. We'll see. But it's going to be awesome. Stick with us. Peace. Peace. I didn't mean to say peace. That's how I end my videos. I'm just so excited. It's gorgeous out too. Gorgeous day. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for him to come over. He was grabbing something to eat with his family, and we'll see. All right, guys. Till when he gets here. Oh boy, he just got here. He has a 97 VTEC, super clean. This was the Del Sol we painted 2 years ago. Still looks shiny nice in here. Interior's pretty clean too. It's pretty stock. He's just got a new shifter, some password JDM stuff. He's got these, which I'd love to redo because, whoo boy, those are awesome. Dang. But we got to replace this window because his broke. I've got some new ones. We're going to put his Ameripool sun top on. That's so exciting. He's never had it on. And it's amber. So, fingers crossed. This is one of the ones that we made. And it's our only amber one so far. So we're going to get that on there. And lots of other stuff to do. We got a full day of Del Sol stuff, which is exciting. But yeah, this thing is pretty clean. We're going to redo this for him as well. Let's just see how this just looks all nasty right there. So we're going to retouch that up and some other stuff. But fun day. Fun day. Okay, project number 1 in Kent's Del Sol. Done. Got the new window in. Not too bad. There's these little window stops here you got to take out. There's 2 bolts. You got to just kind of pop this off really quick and the window slides on. So super easy. This came from my blue S model that I bought last year that is now at the junkyard. So free 99 window. All right, so next I'm gonna tape this up right here. We're gonna redo that because that looks like garbage. No, not garbage. Nope, it does. It's true. It looks like garbage. So we're gonna do that next. While the sun is still out. The sun's gonna be out for a while. I don't know why I said that. Alright, so I'm doing the same treatment that I did to my rear trim here on Kent's rear trim. His is in a little bit rougher shape, but there's not much you can do about that, but it'll at least look nicer. Alright, so we got the new gold decals on, which look way nicer than the old white ones. Here's Kent's nice motor. Dang, AC! Shit, I wish I had AC. That'd be great. Password JDM intake. He wrinkled red. He wrinkled red his valve cover. I don't know how you'd say that, but yeah, super clean. Super clean. Pretty dope. All right, project number 2 down. Got my blue Ameripool top. Here's our first amber Ameripool top. Man, that thing's so much cooler than mine, and I want an amber top. Way more. So I'm gonna have to make one for myself. But the backs and the fronts fit super nice. It fits super, super nice. I just want these corners to come down more. Like, I want the corners to arc down a little bit over this ridge right here. So this is probably fine because the window has to come up here and then it's fine. But like, I might jut this out a little bit more right here and fold it down just because I want it to look a little bit more like the OEM top. But man, that's pretty clean. I like it. I like it a lot. And it looks good on his red. And you can, I think you guys can see through there. But that puppy is clean. All right, it's getting a little late here. We got Mabel out here. We got the JDM steering wheel and the bezel. We got the cluster out. Got the drinks flowing. And got to put this guy on there. So I'm going to do that right now. You've all seen my YouTube video. I don't need to explain this. It's on YouTube. Okay. We'll check back once installed. All right, bezel overlay installed. We are in the home stretch here, folks. Okay, so got the bezel overlay installed. Piece of cake. Let me turn this around. Legit. 5 bolts, 5 screws, and that thing is out. Legit out. Pull it out, put it on. It's done. So that's super easy. Next, gonna try to get this off, and we are gonna try to put this JDM steering wheel on like this. This thing is mint. Minty, 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 mint. So, last project of the night. Whew, it's been a whirlwind, but I think we're gonna do it. What is up, everybody? It's like Thursday now. This vlog that you're watching happened on Monday. It got super late, like midnight, trying to install the JDM steering wheel. We kept watching YouTube videos. I hit up Christian from Honda Vlogs just to make sure we were doing it right. And I had never done it before, and it was too complicated to like try and vlog and like really concentrate and not mess up any wires or anything in there. So I'm sorry, but we don't have that footage, but we did get it installed, and I'm gonna follow up with Kent in a later vlog once he gets all the horn hooked back up and the SRS light fixed on his Del Sol. So I'm sorry about that, but sometimes it's just too hard to vlog and do all that other stuff at the same time. So don't have a lot of footage of that, but that's all right. We still got a lot done, got everything accomplished. It was super great to hang out with him. I really just wished that we had a little more time, but that's okay. We're both super busy guys, and that's all the time we were able to make to hang out and work on our cars. But it was still really fun, and I can't wait to do it again. Hopefully he moves to Nebraska so we can do that all the time, but that's all right. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I got another vlog coming out real soon too, and it's super dope. So check back, and maybe this weekend that one will be out too. So all right guys, until next time, peace.